So the last class we have already discussed about the storyline, and then we also gave the skeleton of the story. Jack used to tell story to the daughter every day in order to put the child to sleep, and this storytelling has begun 2 years before. Age of the daughter now is 4 years. He used to make up the story every day, but the skeleton, the main thing of the story, was same only. So just having narrated the story with a slight variation of the basic tale, when he continued for 2 years, his head felt empty. He was not able to create more stories. And what happens is that some psychological change and also maturity change is taking place in the daughter. So every story of that Jack told to Joe was actually a story of a small creature. As in the last class we said that it can be a story of a monkey, it can be a squirrel, it can be of anything else. Every story had a small creature and always his hero named Roger only. It should be a Roger fish, Roger squirrel, Roger chipmunk or anything else. In every story, Roger had a problem, he went to Wise Owl. So almost all the stories that he narrated, Roger, the hero of the story, is having some problem. He will go and visit Owl. Owl counselor poleyan. He will go to the owl and just tell that I am having this problem. Owl send Roger to wizard. Owl will say that you go and meet wizard. The wizard will be able to help you. Wizard perform a magic spell that solve the problem. So wizard will just perform a magic spell. ഒരു മാജിക് നടത്തും. And because of that, the problem will be solved. After that, the wizard demand in payment a number of pennies greater than the number Roger creature had. അവൻ്റെ കയ്യിലുള്ള കാശിനെക്കാട്ടിലും കൂടുതൽ പേയ്മെൻറ്റ് ചോദിക്കും. കയ്യിലുള്ളത് 5 ആണെങ്കിൽ 7 പൗണ്ട് ചോദിക്കും, 7 പെന്നീസ് ചോദിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ ഇവൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് 2ൻ്റെ ഷോർട്ടേജ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ wizard direct Roger to the place where he get extra pennies. So when he is not having sufficient money, the wizard himself helps Roger. The wizard will tell that you go to such and such a place and you will get extra pennies there and come and make the payment. Then he settles the wizard and becomes happy and goes back home. And after that, the Roger will go there, get money, come back and make the payment, and happily it will go home. This was the basic tale that Jack told every day. Now, ending of the story, we already discussed in the last class. After this, what used to be the ending of the story? Then Roger was so happy that he played with many other creatures and went home. His mother just in time to hear the train whistle that brought his daddy home from Boston. So after the problem is solved, when he's returning to his home, on the way it will play with all other animals, all other creatures, and then it reaches home. Mother will be ready with the supper, and that is a time when the Roger will be able to hear the whistling sound of the train, which is bringing the daddy of Roger back from Boston. He has completed his work and is coming back. A father who is going to work outside, when father is coming back, either by the car or bus or train, whatever it is, the sound of that vehicle is approaching, the children will be finding it very happy. So that is why when the father reaches home, he will be back. Jack described the supper and the story was over. So after that, Jack will describe how was their supper, എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ഭക്ഷണത്തിനുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്, and the story used to be over. Work in this way was fatiguing on Saturday because Joe never fell asleep in naps anymore. So this was the storyline. Every day he used to say story like this only. Only thing is that the animal used to change. But now there is a change taking place in Joe. Work in this way was fatiguing, tiresome, difficult. Why? because there is no effect on Joe. ജോ നേരത്തെ ഉറങ്ങിയത് മാതിരി ഈ കഥകൾ പറയുമ്പോൾ ഉറക്കം വരുന്നില്ല. കുട്ടി ഗ്രോണപ്പായി. ദ ചൈൽഡ് ഈസ് ഗ്രോയിങ് അപ്പ്. ഫാദർ പറയുന്ന സ്റ്റോറിക്ക് കുട്ടിയുടെ മേലെ അത്രയും ഇഫക്റ്റ് വരുന്നില്ല. ചേഞ്ചസ് ഇൻ ജോസ് പെർസ്പെക്റ്റീവ്. വാട്ട് ആർ ദ ചേഞ്ചസ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ടേക്കിംഗ് പ്ലേസ് ഇൻ ദ ജോയുടെ ആറ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡിൽ? The little girl grew around 4 years old, did not find that some magic would occur and would sleep like an infant of 2. This girl, to whom father is narrating the story for the last 2 years, now her age is 4 years, now the way that she is reacting when the story was narrated, unless a miracle should take place, the child is not going to sleep. മിറക്കിൾ സംഭവിച്ചാൽ മാത്രമേ ഉറങ്ങുള്ളൂ. കാരണം ഫിസിക്കൽ റിയാക്ഷൻ ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് ഷീ ഈസ് നോട്ട് ഫീലിംഗ് സ്ലീപ്പി. ഏർലിയർ വെനെവർ ഈ നരേറ്റ് സ്റ്റോറി ദ ചൈൽഡ് യൂസ് ടു സ്ലീപ്പ്. However, her brother Bobby was already asleep with his bottle. 2 children are there in the family. Joe's younger brother Bobby was already asleep with his feeding bottle in his mouth. Jack asked her, "Who shall the story be about today?" One day, she at once asked Roger Skunk. So now, on this particular day when this lesson is taking place, the father asked Joe that, "Innu njan aarude story aanu ninnodu parayendathu?" So it was on a Saturday. Then the girl replied that, "Father, you tell me story about Roger Skunk. Skunk is animal we have already seen." Jack's new story with Roger Skunk as a new hero. So now Jack is telling the story on this particular day. They have got a new hero. Who is the new hero? Skunk, the animal skunk. So far, Jack had not told story on skunk, but Roger of course remains the same. Jack thought that Roger Skunk was a new animal having a new hero, for his tale stirred his enthusiasm. Since Jack has never told a story on skunk, he thought that he is having a new hero. So because of that, he was very enthusiastic to narrate the story on this particular day. He at once started narrating a story he started the story like this. Once upon a time, there was a tiny little creature named Roger Skunk, and he smelled so bad. So his story began. We already said that his basic story, Roger, different animal every day, but normally used to have a problem. But today he is going to tell the story on Roger Skunk. And he told that what was the problem faced with the Roger Skunk? It smells so bad. Because we know that the family to which this skunk belongs to in the animal kingdom, it has got a foul smell. അടുത്ത് വന്ന ഭയങ്കര മണമാണ്. So the narrator, Jack, thought that he should make use of that particular aspect in order to narrate the story to the girl. So he continues the story. Roger Skunk smelled so bad that no creatures would play with him. Whenever he would go out to play, other animals would cry. എങ്ങനെയാണ് കരയുന്നത്? "Ooh, here comes Roger's stinky skunk," and would run away. It is not that easy. You should understand that you should remember some of the experiences of your childhood. If you have been shunned away by your friends when you went to play with them, telling that he does not know how to play, she does not know how to play, you feel very bad. When your company, your friends isolate you, telling that you are not able to play with them, you may be feeling very bad. Now, when Roger Skunk went to play with the other animals, they just complained that the stinking skunk is coming. Stinky means foul smelling ആണ്. വൃത്തികെട്ട സ്മെല്ലുള്ള സ്കങ്ക് വരികയാണ്, എന്നിട്ട് എല്ലാവരും കൂടെ ഓടിപ്പോവുകയാണ്. When the Roger Skunk comes, other animals run away. It gives a lot of psychological pain to the Roger Skunk. It was a problem for Roger Skunk. We have people among us also sometime, when you just go to play with your friends, they will say that if you give him the ball, he will miss it. Don't give him the ball. You stand in the ground for a long time without getting any ball, and after the game also, the hangover of that game, you feel very sorry about it. Roger Skunk would stand all alone and tears would fall from his eyes. So this kind of isolation in the game, the racial segregation, why this Roger Skunk has been isolated like that? We speak about caste system in olden times. People belonging to different caste, they are shunned away by so-called Brahmins or something like that. So here, Roger belonged to a particular family of animals where they have got their identity is that smell. It is their originality. And because of that smell, other animals are running away means it's a racial discrimination, caste discrimination. Human beings also face this kind of racial discrimination. So the Roger Skunk stood there and shed his tears. Kannu niranju ennaanu parayunnathu. Little Joe could already guess what would be the storyline next. So when father narrated this story, the little Joe who is listening to this story almost able to guess that where the story is going. എവിടേക്കാണ് ഈ സ്റ്റോറി പോകുന്നതെന്ന് കൃത്യമായിട്ട് അറിയാമായിരുന്നു. Guessed the storyline. She asked, won't he see the owl? Because when Roger animal is having a problem, next person to visit is the owl. So the girl is asking, won't he see the owl? അവളുടെ അടുത്ത് പോയിട്ട് സഹായം ചോദിക്കുകയല്ലേ? അച്ഛൻ സോറി പറയുന്നതിൻ്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് കയറി പറയാണ്. Jack continued there, lived a big wise owl in the tip top of a tree. Roger Skunk told him his pathetic tale. The wise owl advised him to go to the wizard. So what happened? Jack continued the story. He said that on top of a big tree there lived a wise owl. And then Roger Skunk there and narrated his story. Pathetic story. What is a pathetic story? It is having foul smell. Because of that, other animals are running away from him. And the owl advised him to go to the wizard. So owl has advised that, okay, you go and meet wizard, your problem will be solved. So this part, of course, Joe could guess also. Roger Skunk goes and meets the wizard. അവിടെ എന്താണ് സംഭവിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് നോക്കാം. At last, Roger Skunk came to a little white house and he saw a little old man who had a long white beard and pointed blue hat. So what happened? Roger Skunk is going as per the advice of the owl. It just went to the place where this wizard is living. So that is why Roger Skunk came to a little white house. That white house belongs to the wizard. And he was a little old man. അയാൾ വലിപ്പം കുറഞ്ഞ മനുഷ്യനായിരുന്നു. But then he was an old man. What a long white beard is the description. And a pointed blue hat. അയാളുടെ തലയിൽ വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന തൊപ്പിയെക്കുറിച്ചാണ് പറയുന്നത്. Roger Skunk told the wizard that he smelled very badly and due to this all the other animals ran away from him. He narrated the story. He just told him the problem. The wizard solved the problem. Wizard asked him 7 pennies. So what happened? Here, how the wizard is solving the problem? There is a lot of equipments which is used by the wizard is just dumped there in that particular room in the corner. From there, he searched and took out a magic wand, and with that magic wand gave a hit on the head of the Roger Skunk, and suddenly his problem was solved. The wizard asked him 7 pennies. So he said that for this service I have given you, you must pay me. You have to give me 7 pennies. Roger had only 4 and he started crying. So Roger was having only 4 rupees. So when wizard is just changing the smell of this Roger Skunk, the earlier foul smell was changed into rose smell. Rose is a very beautiful flower, you know. All of us likes the smell of the rose. When the father narrated the story that immediately after just striking the head of the Roger Skunk with a magic wand, suddenly the wizard's house was filled with the smell of the roses. And you can see the reaction of the girl. The girl started opening her nose and breathing inside for the smell. Means she feels very original. She was feeling that she herself is getting the smell of the roses. And Joe was very happy because child always lives in the world of imagination. She likes this kind of sophisticated smell and happenings. So anyway, Wizard asking the payment 7 pennies. Roger was having only 4 pennies, and it felt very sad. And Wizard told him that he sent him to a magic well where Roger found 3 pennies. So Wizard advised him that you go to a particular street, turn 3 times, and then there is a magic well is there. Look inside that well, and you can find 3 pennies there. You will get money there. He took them back to the wizard. So what happened? The Roger skunk went there and he collected that money and came back to the wizard. The wizard was very happy and made him smell like roses. The wizard was very happy and of course made him smell like roses. Money was paid, he was made the rose smell. All other little animals gathered around him. They played games and laughed all afternoon. So after this problem is solved, we know that in this story, the creature will return. Roger skunk returned from wizard's house, and on the way, all other animals which used to run away from him earlier, they came and played with him because his smell, rose smell, was appreciated and liked by other animals, and he was very happy. All afternoon they played a game. Roger skunk's mother doesn't like the change. So what happens? After playing, Roger skunk is returning home. When Roger skunk is returning home, when the father is returning from Boston after his work, Roger skunk's mummy asks him, what is that awful smell was? When the son returned to the house, Amma Chodikana, what is that awful smell? Awful smell means that horrible smell. The mother is feeling that the smell of the Roger skunk is awful. സ്വന്തം മകന്റെ മണം അമ്മയ്ക്ക് സഹിക്കാനായിട്ട് പറ്റുന്നില്ല. Because it is a raw smell. Roger replied that he himself smelled like roses. The wizard made him smell like that. Roger replied that ഇത് ഞാനാണമ്മേ, നിന്റെ മകനാണ്, Roger skunk ആണ്. I am smelling like roses now. And he narrated the story. He told that the wizard has made me smell like roses. Then she brought him right back to the awful wizard. Mother was not happy. Mother told that that is not the smell of your family. That is not your original smell. A son should smell like the mother. A daughter should smell like the mother. That means when we look at the more fortunate people and if you just complain that I am not like that, if I am like that, it would have been nice. It is not the idea. We have to live the life that is given to us. Now the God has created this skunk with this particular smell. The mother likes to have the son smell like the mother only. അമ്മ പറയുന്നത് എൻ്റെ സ്മെല്ല്, നിൻ്റെ അച്ഛൻ്റെ സ്മെല്ല്, നിൻ്റെ ഫാമിലിയുടെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിൻ്റെ ഈ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൻ്റെ സ്മെല്ല്, ആ സ്മെല്ലാണ് ഒറിജിനല്, അതാണ് നല്ലത്. അല്ലാണ്ട് വളരെ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുമെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച് the smell that you are changed into roses, it is not original. Roger was crying. If he got the previous smell back, then again no one will come to play with him. So what did the mother do? Roger skunk's mother told that you come with me. I will go there and I will punish the wizard. And then I will ask him to change your smell back into the original smell. Roger skunk was very unhappy, and Joe was also not happy. But his mother didn't care about that and made the wizard to get the awful smell back. So he took Roger skunk to the wizard and forced the wizard to change his smell into his original smell. Now what is the reaction of the Joe? Joe did not like the ending of this story. Joe said that this story is not good. ഈ രീതിയിലുള്ള ending ഇഷ്ടമല്ല. Because Joe was feeling very sad and Joe was against the mother for having changed his sweet smell into foul smell again. Again, I would like to suggest that a child always lives in the world of imagination. It likes sophisticated smell happenings. അപ്പം a grown-up person is not like that. A grown-up person lives in reality. റിയൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള വേൾഡിലാണ് ജീവിക്കുന്നത്. അമ്മയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം അമ്മയ്ക്കറിയാം എൻ്റെ മകൻ്റെ സ്മെല്ല് എൻ്റെ മണമായിരിക്കണം. പക്ഷേ കുട്ടിയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ഈസ് ദാറ്റ് ഐ ഷുഡ് ഹാവ് കമ്പനി. In order to have company, I should change my originality. A child doesn't bother even changing his originality. But the parents won't allow. Parents will say that that is not the way of life. So Joe did not like the ending of the story. She doesn't want the hero of her story to smell bad and wanted him back to smell like roses. So what Joe wants? Joe wants that the hero of the story, who is the hero of the story? Roger Skunk, should not smell bad and wanted him back to smell like roses. So Joe wanted that once again the story should be ended in a different way, that the Roger Skunk smell like roses. She wanted her father to tell her that magic wand hit that mummy. So that is why the child is demanding. The mother has hit the head of the wizard and told the wizard that you change my son's smell back into his original smell, change in the rose smell. Now the child is demanding that I don't like that ending. You should change the ending of the story. You should change the ending in what way? The wizard is hit in the head of the mummy. Should wizard hit mummy എന്നാണ് ലെസന്റെ പേര്. എന്താണ് കുട്ടി പറയുന്നത്? വിസാർഡ് മമ്മിയെ പണിഷ് ചെയ്യണം, അല്ലാണ്ട് വിസാർഡിനെ മമ്മിയല്ല പണിഷ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു എൻഡിങ് ആണ് കുട്ടിക്ക് ഇഷ്ടം. Now Jack and Claire together. Jack, Claire is the mother. Jack, after having told this story, he just told the child to sleep. And he understood. We have, when you read the lesson, you will understand that the child gives a lot of reactions, a lot of responses to the story, which shows that the child is not sleeping at all. But at the end, what the father says that, okay, you go to sleep. I must go down, to help your mother. Mother is doing some work downstairs. Because Jack, he understands his real world. What is his real world is that his wife is carrying, she is pregnant. She cannot do hard work. She is now on the downstairs actually painting some of the articles in the living room. Now the Jack should put the child to sleep and go and help her. And that is the world of the grown-up person. But the child wants that everything is very sophisticated. So he asks Joe to go to sleep. When Jack is coming out of the room, you can find that Joe is getting up and trying to just go behind him. Then the father just scolds her, and then she just goes to bed. Jack went downstairs. He saw that Claire was stroking the chair by with a dipped brush. That means, what is he doing? She is actually painting the woodwork, chairs and other items which is kept in the living room. She is just dipping the brush in the paint, and she was doing that activity. Above him, so when he was there in the downstairs, in the room where his wife and himself was there, he could hear the sound of Jonah, that is his daughter, whom he wanted to put to sleep, was still in the agitated mood and hadn't slept. Why she is in agitated mood? Because the ending of the story she did not like. She wanted the father to tell the story in the other way, but father refused to say. Father said that that is not the story. Father told her that father is telling the story, not the child is telling the story, so he will just conclude the story. At the end, she wanted to take a promise from the father, telling that tomorrow when you tell a story, please tell me a story in which the wizard hit mummy. ഇന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റിയാലേ നാളത്തെ സ്റ്റോറിയിലെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെ ആക്കണം, അങ്ങനെ ഒരു സ്റ്റോറി പറയണം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാണ് അച്ഛനെ താഴോട്ട് വിടുക. So Jack is shouting from below. He is shouting to the girl that if you don't go to sleep, I'll come and sprang you up. I'll beat you. Jack's moral dilemma. Now we are coming to the conclusion of the lesson. What is the dilemma that Jack is facing? Jack felt himself in a peculiar condition. He watched his wife labor. Why he has come down? He has just come down in order to help his wife. He just got out of somehow he managed to get out of the world of the child, and he came into the world of the grown-up person, and that is his wife is pregnant. She cannot do very heavy work. He needs to help her. So he just came down. And when he was in the room together with his wife, what was the condition of Jack? That is important. He just watched his wife is just doing the work. He felt caught in an ugly middle position. He felt his wife's presence in the cage with him. So the lesson at the end, last paragraph says that he felt caught in an ugly middle position. What is this ugly middle position? He is hanging between the world of the child's imaginative world and the grown-up person's real world. That means the story that he has narrated the child has not been effective today. The child was not put into sleep. So the father was feeling very uncomfortable. കുട്ടിയെ ഉറക്കിയതിന് ശേഷമാണ് താഴോട്ട് വരേണ്ടത്. So he was not successful in putting the child to sleep, nor he was successful when he came down to help the wife. So he was hanging between in an ugly middle position. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കുട്ടിയുടെ ലോകത്തിൻ്റെയും ഗ്രോണപ്പ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൾക്കാരുടെ ലോകത്തിൻ്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഹാങ് ചെയ്ത് എന്ന മാതിരി ഒരു ഫീലിംഗ് ആണ്. He felt his wife's presence in a cage with him. So he felt that he is together with his wife just like in a cage. ഒരു കേജിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ അടയ്ക്കപ്പെട്ട പക്ഷികളെ പോലെയാണ് അവന് ഫീൽ ചെയ്തത്. But then you can see here he felt very bad. The last paragraph of this lesson reads like this. The poor kid, he answered, and with utter weariness watched his wife labor. സഹായിക്കാൻ വന്നതാ, പക്ഷേ വൈഫ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ലേബർ നോക്കി നിൽക്കാനേ ഇവനെ കൊണ്ട് പറ്റിയുള്ളൂ. The woodwork, മരം കൊണ്ടുണ്ടാക്കിയ പല വർക്കുകളുണ്ട്. The cage of moldings and the rails and baseballs all around them. Was half old tan and half new ivory, and he felt caught in an ugly middle position. Now the color of that moldings and woodwork which she is painting, it is mentioned that half ivory color, faded white color, ivory color, and half tan, brown color. And when he came there to help his wife, he says that he felt in an ugly middle position. Lesson also speaks that he felt in a ugly middle position. And though as well felt his wife's presence in the cage with him, he did not want to speak with her, work with her, touch her, anything. This is an awkward situation. He was eager to come down and help his wife, but when he finally came down, he felt that he was hanging in the ugly middle position. And that is why, even though he felt that he was together with his wife in the same room, same cage means same room, just like a male and a female birds are in the same cage, together they are in the same room. He did not feel like doing anything. What he says that ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്, he didn't want to speak with her, work with her, he could not agree with the Jo's plot line and couldn't ignore her either. So this is what really happened. He was not able to enjoy the company of his wife when he was with her in the room, and at the same time why he could not enjoy, why he could not help her, because he was unhappy, because he could not agree with the ending of the story which is suggested by Jo to him.